Hello, everybody. I'm Dale Pinkert. Hope everyone had a good GDP. I want to congratulate Ali again on his call in crude. Big move to the upside after LAR broke out over this resistance at 33. And also Tolson looked for a breakout in the S&Ps yesterday, the crude oil. I forgot what else, but there were a few Larians that weren't surprised by this move in oil. Congratulations to you guys. Don't believe we're going to have any interviews today. I was going to have two. Ricardo is having internet issues. I think SW said the crude people were looking for 35. They got it. So we'll see what happens from here. So sorry, guys. I don't think we're going to have any interviews today. You're stuck with me. You're stuck with me. Hello, Mihail, Artem, Adinda. Everyone doing okay? Who's in the house? Thought the dollar was going to head down this week. I was wrong. Congratulations, SW, on your crude call. Hello, Sinatra. Golden Girls here. SW, Jax. Looks like Eli. Hi, Eli. Welcome to LAR. So maybe one more push. Hello, Kareem. Mihail, Doug, Forex Pipper, Ali, Mark. Planet's here. Sinatra's here. Noah. Noah, welcome. MRC, Tico. Park Moore. Welcome, Park. I have no brilliant ideas right here. Artem, Noah. Welcome, Noah. Carlos, FX John, Goldie, Fame, Ray, Dude, welcome. Tosin, how are you? Nice call on the oil yesterday in the S&Ps. Dima, Noah, Verpnica. Hello, Verp. Nice to meet you. And Abel, my friend. How's everyone doing today? Dr. Carson. He said that. Hi, Fab. How are you? Jax, how's it going? So, I've seen some tweets where Adam Pocholsky thinks Euro Pound has already peaked. Maybe he's right. We do have a third drive up here at 79. Thought we might have one more push up next week. Congratulations, our Timbo, how you doing? So once we got through 1040 in the euro, I thought we were going to rally to above 11. Then the same day it took out the neckline I had here. Now it looks like it's headed toward this 3 drive line again. 940. Anyone have any charts or views to share with the community this morning? Ricardo's having internet issues. I was going to interview him in the opening hour. And the guest I had scheduled today, I actually have him on the calendar for Monday. So we'll have him along with Peter Goodburn on Monday. Thank you, SW. What do you got here, buddy? The crude. Yeah. Instead, I'm long the weakness, nat gas. Yeah. So it's an ascending triangle. You have it at resistance, 34.5. This 35.60 up here. Maybe we're going there. Is that what you're thinking? Maybe 38 or 40. Everyone thank SW for his 4-hour crude oil look. Strong dollar, strong crude, weak dollar, weak crude. Strong dollars, strong indexes. Where's the third kiss, SW? Nice look. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Everyone doing okay? I'm sure glad it's Friday. So, euro's weaker than the pound today. Okay. No, I think it's possible. So I brought you up in our GDP coverage, Tosin. How you talk about that reversals happen after the New York opening. Gave you credit for that observation. Something that edifies the whole community. Welcome, Park Moore, to our community. Park Moore 2016. How are you? Nice to meet you. Trust your gut. Ed ZFX, Bab, Noah, Fame, how are you, my friend? Ray, nice to meet you. Welcome to LAR. Dima, welcome to LAR. Everyone, welcome Dima and Dudu. Okay. You got a 3 driver, Jay? No. Maybe. I like when they're happening at new highs. Like this would, but this is possible. It's more like a wedge. 3 drives normally happen at new highs or new lows for the move. But interesting, Jay. Thank you, buddy. I want to thank Jay for this 60-minute look. Upward wedge line. He's calling it a third drive. I like third drives to happen above levels like this, not to start mid-range, but it's an interesting view. Everyone thank Jay. Thank you, Jay. Everyone thank Jay for that 4-hour look. Yeah. Euro. Yeah, I can't short it here. I just can't short it here. Nice look. Looks like you're looking for 860. Thank you, SW. Thanks, J and SW and Tozen are great additions to our community. I'm talking SW, J, and Tozen. The three Forex Kateers. I think J, SW, and Tozen are great additions to our community. Give me a Y if you agree. Here's mine. Like I said, it should be a magnet. You know, I was talking about this a long time ago. I don't know why we stop here. 35 looks like it could happen. Nice call this week on oil, both ways, Ali. You called the false breakdown and then the rally. Don't fade Ali when it comes to energy. Everyone doing all right? What do we have, a negative week? So on Friday, you want to start looking at your weeklies to see what kind of week we had. Pretty ugly week in Euro. You're welcome, Mihail. Glad to have you be part of us. Pretty ugly week. I look at the weekly and it looks pretty negative. We'll see what happens here next week at this trend line that it broke out of. So I have to talk for 2 hours, huh? You listen to me? Listen to this. I told my wife about this, Jax. That you say every time I sing. I know. Use less leverage when you trade FX markets. Use wider stops so you don't get picked off. If you don't use less leverage, you might lose your head and your account will be dead. Use less leverage. Use max leverage when you trade the markets. Try and turn $100 into 10K. Use max leverage, try and hit a homer. But if you miss when you swing, your account will be a goner. Use max leverage. Nice trade, Mystic. I think Jax is buying it. You know, it doesn't bother me making you cry, but but making your dog cry, that's cruel. Okay, so Jax, please don't report me to the Anti-Cruelty Society. I promise that's my last song today. Give your dog a pet for me. What's your dog's name? Show me a picture of your dog. I believe you have a dog. Yeah, you know what, Mystic and Artem? Don't expect perfection at the crap table. You both made good money, right? Here, I missed this thing by SW. You're SW. I'm sorry I didn't see your link. Oh, yeah, I did that one. That's 0. It's positive confirmation. What did I do? Use less leverage. Nice look by Mahale and the Canadian. You would think we'd be getting near some type of reaction low. Nice channel. Didn't touch it here, but that's a very nice looking chart. And we're not even at 61.8 back, 134. You know what? You're a great addition to this community too, Mahale. I like your technical work. I want to thank Mahale for his Canada look. And if you agree with me, give me a Y. I think I'm glad Mahale found us. Give me a Y if you think he's a great addition. I like his chart work. That was a nice look. You want my thoughts on the presidential election? There won't be one. There won't be one. What do you think of that? I give that a small possibility that there won't be one. No one's saying that. Rusty is a pro. I agree. He's getting old though, guys. It's sad to me when my animals are, getting closer to the end of the road. I know many people have been through that. I'm ambivalent. I don't like any of. I think John Kasich would be the best choice, but he probably doesn't have a prayer. And Hillary probably wins it all. I hope so, Carlos. I've never read that in the Bible, but amen to that. The question is, will I? Yeah. So the question, I know my dogs will, but you guys think I'll make it? Nah, he's already exceeded. Yeah. You think I'll make it, huh? Okay. Well, I try and help people. You'll notice when I interview people, they're not all famous just to get traffic. I'll interview someone that has 100 Twitter followers to give them a chance to get some visibility. Trying to help everyone who stops in here by facilitating this community. So I've been doing my best to plant good seeds. Haven't my whole life, but maybe the last half I have. Everyone doing okay? You know, people ask me, guys, they go, Dale, why do you tweet other people's work? And I say, what's the cost of saying thanks, validating, or lifting up others? You know, you're very nosy, mister. Three words, man. Sex, drugs, and rock and roll. I'll leave the rest to your imagination. Amen, Carlos. What do you think, Mystic? How about yours? How about your first half? It's not how you start the race, it's how you finish it. You ever hear that? Go ahead, Artem. It's not how you start the race, it's how you finish it. Give me a Y if you agree with that. So there's always time, and we're all running our own race. Just like in trading, we're all captains of our own ship. Yeah. It's empty, man. Still love rock and roll and sex. Oh yeah, Mystic wanted to interview me. So any trading ideas? I don't have any today. Good one, Art. Good one, Artem. So we have the S&P's opening in 7 minutes. So here's that third drive line again. I think so, eventually. Remember this third drive line? We came in Monday and it held it here and went up. And then FX Goldie said buy it at 980 and we have this rally. Here we are right back at the third drive line. SW's taking a shot at the short side of crude for a scalp. Good hunting, SW. Don't fade SW. Thanks, Artem. Okay, Aussie is getting to Carlos' cell zone. Okay. Nice divergence here, failing rally here. Okay, one more pop then, huh? Got a rising wedge. Next week. Okay. So maybe this is it, huh? There's the picture. There's the picture. Everyone doing okay? Okay. Thank you, Carlos. Everyone doing all right? TGIF. TGIF, guys. Welcome, Dima. Welcome, Noah. Welcome, Dudu. Everyone, welcome, Dudu. Thank God it's Friday. It's also a restaurant, Fridays. Everyone, welcome, Dudu. All right, Timbo. Have a great weekend, my trading warrior brother. I hope that I'm adding value to your trading experience here at FX Street, buddy. Enjoy. Everyone doing okay? Euro's trying to reverse here. So it's my mission every day to build up and edify traders. I hope I've accomplished my mission 5 days this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Give me a Y if you feel like you've learned at least one new thing. I learned a new thing about fibs this week. Had some great interviews this week, don't you think? Rocky Horner was one of the best interviews I've done in a while. Anyway, guys, Let's rock. Everyone ready to rock? Say you want to be a star, Jax is crying. You better show your charts in LAR. Say you want to buy a new car, need new wheels. You better hang out in LAR. And if you rent, but you want to buy a new house, you should be with us before you click your mouse. So give me an L, A, R, LAR, R, 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 LAR. The LAR theme song. LAR. Live Analysis Room. It means teacher in a European language, teaching spirit. Euro's trying to turn. I've learned that usually anything you want to do today, you could do early next week. I just can't get long the dollar here. Yen fading. Everyone doing okay? Here's the open. SW short crude. Yeah, you might have something there, SW. Tosin. You guys are very good. I have to tell you, I've never been surrounded by a group of better traders in both quantity and quality. Really. And I've been doing this a long time. Never been in a chat room. Sinatra's trying the short side of yen here. Is Giuseppe Bazil still negative the yen? I think he is. Or at least a pullback of this recovery. Right? A lot of people looking for 116. You might have a good spot there, Sinatra. Norm's market. Norm Winsky. Who's never been in LAR, Ali? I talk about Norm Winsky. Norm's going to be with us. Oh, normal. Okay. You forgot to sleep? You forgot to sleep? Yeah. Well, it could be a failing rally here. right? Forming a little bit of a descending triangle. Usually happens at tops, but okay. What's that? What's the mobile roll conference? Everyone doing all right? Okay. Wow. Busy week. What do you guys think about Apple? Should Apple cave or keep the fight? I don't know if you guys have noticed, but since I've interviewed John McAfee, he's been on CNBC a few times, saying that he would hack that phone and get it done in 3 weeks. Everyone doing all right? I'm going to take a quick break, Adinda. I'll be back in 5. Adinda, I think I'll take a quick break now. I'll be back in 5 minutes. You guys could continue to collaborate. See you in 5. I'm back, Adinda. Thank you. Low FX Praise, how are you? Long time. The markets are fine. How are you? Euro trying to reverse with the market reversing. Yeah, sure. That'd be great, Mystic. A lot of day traders in here. Thank you, Tosin. Feel free to do it, buddy. I've seen your stuff. It's good. Everyone feel free to share whatever you want to share, right? Nice money management, Sinatra. Good money management. Remember, you could always take half off, too. Don't forget that. Everyone doing all right? Nice work, Tosin. You guys love LAR? You love your community? If you love this community, you'll do something to promote it so that others discover it. Let the world know what we do here. Plenty of lost sheep out there that could use a little help. Tweet about it, Facebook it. Many ways to spread the word. Good, Tosin. It's reciprocal. Thank you, Sinatra. Everyone doing okay? Goldie, how are you? You still around? Park Monster, what do you think of LAR? Parkmore 2016. Judy, how are you? Welcome back, Judy. Ibby, how's it going? Yes, visual. Fall Guys here. FX John's here. Ray, how's it going? FX Video. Dima, Noah, Dudu, Roland, Verp, Nika, welcome. Spooner, welcome. Everyone welcome Verp, Nika, and Spooner. You're welcome, Ibby. Welcome, Spooner. And Verp. Everyone welcome Spooner and Verp. How are you doing, Kareem? Getting a low reversal candle in the euro. Almost got back to the third drive line that we diagnosed on Monday. Dion, nice to meet you. Everyone welcome Dion. So new handles, the way we communicate and share our ideas here are via screenshots. It's a safe environment to do so. We're all captains of our own ship. No one's rooting for you to fail. So it's a very safe environment to share your charts. And as the LAR theme song says, if you want to be a star, you need to show your charts in LAR. So you could scroll back. There were quite a few screen shares. A lot of people are calling it a week early. Some of our superstars aren't here today. Ricardo, Alien, Zurich. There's got to be at least 25 very proficient traders in here that share their ideas every day. You could walk into LAR as a blank slate and have your eyes pointed towards possible inner opportunities. Goldie, yeah, Goldie's great. Goldie's been a great addition to our community with excellent contributions anytime he's here and wants to share. If you're a fan of Goldie's, give me a Y. I'm a fan. Forex Pipper's no lightweight either. Don't fade Forex Pipper. I think Forex, thank you, Praise. Forex Pipper, I miss seeing your work. You two are a great addition to our community. If you agree with me, give me a Y. So what was the highlight of everyone's week? Thank you, Mikhail. Why don't you guys share your highlight? What was your favorite part of LAR this week? Yeah, right, Jax. How's your dog? Thank you, Pipper. How's your pup, buddy? You stop crying? Really, guys? You like that? You like the singing that makes Jax cry? Come on. Come on. The trading ideas are better than the singing. Really, Tolson? Cool. Thank you, Praise. Hope things have been going well for you. God, it's been, almost a few years. Tears of joy. I got to show Jax's tweet he sent me yesterday. Sure. Oh, you guys are in for a treat. Ricardo's going to be with us. Ricardo, I'm going to interview Ricardo. So you guys are going to get some great looks from Ricardo. Stand by for Ricardo Picasso. Rick should be with us pretty soon. There goes the dollar again. Good. What do? You watch the Daily Show? You watch the recording? You watch the recording? Nice look here, Jay. Nice crude look. I can't believe it hasn't. Maybe pulls back to the breakout. Very nice look. Looks like it's a 4-hour chart. Very interesting look on the crude oil. Thank you, Jay. I want to thank Jay for that. Good point, Sinatra. That's how we get to 17. Maybe that's how we get to $20 oil. A short in crude. You're the man today, Tosin. Tosin, you're the man. Okay, Tosin, I'm awarding you the man award for your crude short. Nice going, buddy. Everyone congratulate Tosin. Sold the top of crude this morning. Nice scalp. You're the man. Congratulations, Tosin. Nice work this week. We're all glad for you. Euro's on the 3 drive line. Nice little scalp by Tosin. Hi, Abel. How you doing? Okay, so Rick's going to be with us shortly. Stand by for Ricardo. Ricardo's going to be our Friday interview. Dow's only up 20 now. Stick around for Ricardo Dinger. Rick's going to join us and have a presentation of things he's looking for to prep us for next week. Stick around for Ricardo. Should be enlightening. Stick around for Ricardo. Here's Rick. How you doing, Rick?
Hi, Dave. How are you?
Good, buddy. How's it going? I'm glad you got your internet up. I
Yeah,
get frustrated.
we had a power issue here, and it's raining, and a little storm, and a lot of hot weather here. So
this is late summer for you. Late summer for you in Argentina, huh?
Yeah, late summer. Late summer. Exactly.
Okay. So you get a lot of storms, and are the leaves
lot of
starting?
heat. Lot of heat. Lot of heat. Yeah. Lot of heat.
All right. Well, it's our good fortune that your internet and connection issues were resolved. And before we get started with showing your charts, Rick, I want to thank you for all of your great contributions to our community over the last 2.5 years. And when you're not around, we miss you. So looking forward to seeing what you see, buddy.
Okay. Glad to serve, as always. How do I share screen?
You go up to the upper left-hand corner, and there's a green box there with an arrow. Yeah. And you click that, and then you'll click your screenshot.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Nothing. I'm still seeing just an icon of you talking. So you have to click this. After you click that, you click the screen and then start, and then your screen will come up.
Okay, I tried to screen here. It is working or not?
Not yet. Normally, instead of an icon, there's a video camera, but all I'm seeing is an icon. So I'm not sure why it's not working for you. What you may want to do is close it and come back in and give it a shot.
Let me try again.
Okay. Because we've used Hangout together before.
Yes, we used it.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's not working here.
Maybe you close it and come back in and try it. See if that works. There we go. I see all your charts are up there.
Okay.
So.
Can you see that?
No, I just had before this. I had a look that showed all your looks like downloaded files of charts, yes. And now I don't see any. I think you have to select one at a time to show it in that fashion.
Do you see this?
Still nothing.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I don't know what's happening here.
Yeah. So the only thing we saw was it looked like a page of, I don't know, 20, 30 charts on it. I'd recommend closing it out and trying to come back. Okay, now we have all those charts up there. So I guess you need to, okay, and I see you moving around. You're on the end now.
Yes.
But, so you have to make that a, full screener, or click it, see what happens.
It's moving slow.
Okay.
Do you see this chart?
I see it highlighted, but it's still in the grouping of all the charts. It's not coming up as an individual chart yet. Okay, you just went to you're clicking around. We see that, but not individual charts coming up. Maybe you could just go to your platform and talk about a few things.
Do you see this now?
Still looking at the same page, Rick. Now we're back to the icon. Back to the screen with all the charts. Is it opening up for you when you're double clicking it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so why don't you stay on this page, stop your screen share, and then start it again and click the chart and see what happens. Oh, I thought I saw a chart for a second.
Mariana Bordelois y Andrea García.
Thanks for trying, Rick.
I will shut down other programs. Let me know. Let me see if I can manage this.
Okay. In the meantime, guys, here's a look from Carlos from Skype. Thank you, Carlos. Not sure what it is. Well, it looks bigger. Biblioteca Imaginis. How's my spam? Biblioteca Imaginaria. There's a chart behind it. I see it. There's some chart behind your bibliothèque images. So if you could.
You can see the charts, right?
There was a chart. I think if you can minimize your bibliothèque image screen, there's a chart behind it. Try that. Nope. Now everything's gone. Because I saw a chart beneath the catalog.
Can you see this?
No, still the icon, buddy.
I don't know. Then. I don't know.
It's okay, buddy. The only other thing I would suggest is just closing out of the Hangout and trying it one more time. And if you pop back on, we'll. You know,
okay, I will try this. I will try this again. Okay.
Okay. Okay, everybody. Rick's going to give it another shot. Everyone doing all right? Here's Jay's look, and thank you, Carlos, for the look. I'm not sure what that was. Here's Jay's look on the gold. Wow. Big move. Thank you, Jays.
Can you see this, Dave?
No, still have the page with all the different charts on it.
Well, I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on. I don't know.
Okay, buddy, it's all right. We'll have another opportunity to do it.
Okay,
Maybe
I'm very sorry.
You know, hey, look, no need for apologies. Thank you, Rick, for making the effort, and have a great weekend, buddy. And,
you too. You too.
I'll see you on Monday. God
Okay.
willing. All right,
Okay.
bro. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Rick. Everyone thank
Fine,
Rick
bye.
for trying. That was the Aussie CAD. This is the Aussie CAD from Carlos. This is Aussie CAD. Resistance, support. Thank you, Carlos. Everyone thank Carlos for that Aussie CAD. Here, take a look at it again. Here's Carlos's Aussie CAD look. Pretty negative candle there. So everyone doing all right? Carlos is a Top Gun technician. Been with us for probably from the beginning of LAR. If you enjoy Carlos's screenshots like I do, give me a Y. He will next week, Mystic. Crude's still under some pressure here. S&Ps are still fading. Dow's now lower. S&Ps are only up 1. Euro testing the 3 drive line again. Everyone doing okay? Thank you for your transparency, Sinatra. Could be. Remember Adam Button said February was a constructive month for crude? February's over Monday. Should be over this weekend, but it's a leap year. So we have one more day in February on Monday. Nice short on the S&Ps, guys. That's right. Good money management by Sinatra. Everyone doing all right? You love LAR, guys? You're going to miss LAR all weekend long? Who's looking forward to next week already? Okay, this third drive line came into play again. Came into play here. Came into play here. Came into play here. Coming into play right here as well at 109.40. I'm calling the Euro bottom right here. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3 on the 4-hour. Divergence. See it, Spooner? So call it confirm low, 1. Divergence, but under 30, 2. 4-hour. 3, above 30. So I could find a time frame to fit any of my opinions. It could be putting in an important low for a rally back to 111 and a half, 112. I just can't get short the euro here. Maybe up here. I think there's a rally first. Everyone see it? You don't have to agree with me. Just give me a Y if you see the third drive. Yeah, that's right. That's what I was looking for yesterday. Just took a little detour. Just a little detour, guys. Okay. All right. Thank you, Mystic. You still need a green candle. You need a candle like this. If it was Monday or Tuesday, I would do it, but it's Friday. Still need a reversal candle. Yeah, you could. I don't know if it's going to keep you safe, but to probe it, see how it closes. You need a positive close. Okay. I think if the S&Ps don't make new highs, that'll support the euro. Lower S&Ps, higher euro. Higher S&Ps, lower euro. That's the way I'm reading the correlation. Strong dollar, strong S&P. Weak dollar, weak S&P. Usually. Everyone doing all right? Yeah, there could be down here. because it was still a negative week. So it's still a down week. So we could test this week's lows, today's lows early next week too. But a decent little turn on the 1 hour. Okay, Mihail. Have a good weekend. Markets will be here Monday. I was looking for 111.20. But then once we broke out over 1040, I would have trailed my stop to 1040. Remember yesterday I was looking for, this looked like a neckline. We got out over 1040. The minute it started trading under 1040 was a sign the breakout was negated. Does that help? You're welcome, Mihail. So it actually happened yesterday near the close, U.S. close. That help? Keep just trailing the new contingencies you get. And as soon as that contingency of the 1040 breakout was negated, I'd be out of the way. I trade long-term stuff a little different. I'd probably be just looking to add on if I was building a position. But FX, leverage, short-term, that was the contingency. The first contingency was here. The second was the pullback that Goldie called. The next was the breakout. And then once the breakout was negated, yeah. So Tosin's looking for, made money on the short side. Now he's buying it. Yeah. Just a little pullback. And the indexes. Thank you, Tosin. That's it. Everyone doing okay? I think the S&Ps are 61.8 back here, though. I think this 1980 was 61.8 back in the S&Ps. So we're getting close to where some of the Elliott Wave guys were looking for at this as being a 4, and then we get a 5 between here and 1980. What's that? Rick is back. He's trying it again. Okay, SW, thank you. SW likes the euro for the long side. Going on. Try to hold. See what Sinatra has on the SPX. Nice luck, Sinatra. Thank you. Okay, Rick's giving up. Everyone thanks Sinatra for his S&P look with his EMAs. Everyone doing okay? I may wrap it up a little early today. there goes the euro. Yeah, shorting euro, pound. Yeah, a guy who's very good on my Twitter feed shorted euro pound, looking for 77.10. Yeah, I like it, Pipper. You got your third drive. Pound's more washed out. That's a classic 3 drive, but it still could get up there. I don't know. I'm just not going to force anything. I'll see what the world brings me early next week. But that's a pretty ugly candle right there. I'd still like to see it just clean out this flat top one more time, Pipper. 12.15 gold. The gold's getting crushed. Crude coming back. They're nice call. I think Tolson was bearish gold too, looking for it to pull back. I mean, everyone's looking for 1400. Why can't we go to 1160? You know, wash out all the bullishness here. You know, why can't we pull back to here? 11.25. Hey guys, I'm going to ask you, you know, we got about 15 minutes or so left in the day. 17 minutes. You guys are my boss. Who wants to let me go home early? Okay, that's fine. Anyone willing to let me go home early today? I already am home. I forgot. I'm already home. I'm already home. Okay. I promise. Tosin won't let me go. All right. Is Jax still here? Jax, are you still here? In 15 minutes? Should I go or should I stay? Da 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 da. Okay, everybody. Then I'm going to call it a day. Call it a week. Thank you, everyone, for your contributions this week and hanging out with me and Adinda and sharing all your work with me and the community this week. Remember, don't just count your pips. You better count your blessings. You better count them once and twice and 100 million times. Don't forget to tell the people you care about how you feel. They can't read your mind. Let them know. Say it with words. Say it with a handshake. And if you have the opportunity to lift others up that are in their own valleys, don't let that be a missed opportunity. I look forward to another great week with each and every one of you. Next week, And I had some time to thank everyone individually for making this the best community on the net. Thank you, Jays and Ali and Forex Pipper, Adinda, Jax, Abel, Mystic, Tosin, FX Praise. Great to see your handle here. Mystic, Tosin, thanks for all your great calls and works. And Sinatra, thank you for your work. And SW, nice calls. Bahale, Carlos, thanks for your charts. Artem Fab, Ibby Abel, my good friend. Yohei Elam said I could stay with him in Barcelona too. He said he'd always have a room for me. Okay, buddy. Enjoy Sinatra. BW, Judy, Anise, Visual, Doug, Mark, Planet, Sinatra, Noah, Mauricio, MRC, Tico, Parkmore 2016, Sinatra, JM, Noah, FX John, FX Goldie, Dion, welcome to LAR, Kareem, Ray, Roland, Dudu, Accrued Interest, Dima, Noah, and Verp. Okay, guys, good hunting the rest of the day. I'm going to wrap it with this song. I'm going to make Jax cry one more time. Love me, Larians, love me true, never leave the lar. Oh, my Larians, I love you, and I won't go far. Love me, Larians, love me true, all our trades will work. And I know Jax doesn't like my singing, and I don't think he's a jerk. Have a good weekend, everyone. We're going to kill him next week. Adios. Inshallah. Shalom. L'chaim. To life. Live it.